Here we find a wild Cory tracks. CoLew is about somewhere. What is up, everyone? Good morning. It is a beautiful, beautiful Saturday morning. It's 70-something degrees. I am in a great mood. This is amazing. Let us conquer the day. So, for those of you that don't know, which I don't see why a lot of you would, because I didn't tell everybody, unless you follow me on Instagram, which, you know, you should do that. I got a sim wheel. Excuse the mess. But here it is. Let's clean this desk up. It is a Logitech G920 with simulated pedals, and it is amazing. Look at that! Look at it! It's so smooth. I love it. It's got these crazy nice push-down buttons. It is just gorgeous. I'm always trying to improve myself in any bit of way. So, although it is not a $1,000 simulator, it will help in some way, whether it is track memory, braking zones, turning points, just muscle memory, the layout, anything. The force feedback is pretty good, decent, not bad. The braking, could be better. I've never driven a, you know, it feels like you're driving a car that has no power brakes all the time, so it's kind of ridiculous. But anyways, we are about to head 50 minutes to our boy CoLew's house, and we're gonna build ourselves a cockpit simulator. Cockpit. So we can invert those pedals, sit down, put in a racing wheel, or in a racing chair, and that way you can actually feel involved. It's gonna have its own little screen, and it is going to be fun. So we're gonna get some coffee, drive to 40-something minutes away to another place in Missouri, and we're gonna build this thing, and we're gonna make a whole day out of it. So you guys are gonna come along. Comment below right now if you think you know what it's gonna look like when we're done, because it's pretty badass. So let's go, guys.
Go. Go. You got it. Go. Go. Go.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but this, I'm literally watching pollen fall on my windshield. Look at that. Look at it. That's ridiculous. Sent Joseph in to get some starbs, but I just realized this is his first time, not that white one, being free in a car. Like, he's never actually, he's always been in a cage, so I'm hoping he's not gonna get road sick. I got some blankets down and stuff just in case. But if he does, it is what it is. Tail wagging. Look at it. It's so cute.
Oh my gosh, it's like a real scene out of Jurassic Park. Let me make sure. One of these would work. Literally, all it's gonna go through is it's gonna go through the 2x4 into the pedal, and the pedal's already threaded. I bought one of these suckers for 20 bucks at Walmart. There's actually no throttle control. So I almost broke my wrist like 6 times with it.
Oh, let's back. I'll be that guy.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude! I didn't hear him running up. Who needs a seat? The ground is so much more comfortable down here. It's actually not bad down here. Really? No. I actually prefer the no seat life. It's actually really low. Can you even put your seat? You can put your seatbelt on. Let me get my seatbelt. Yeah. Dude, safety third. That's what we're all about.
Where'd Cory go? Oh, wait. There he is. Can't even see him. Ha.
We were playing with way more assist on last night.
No, we weren't.
Oh god, you have damage on.
Oh yeah, this is full sound like.
The only thing I turned off was the damage.
Like damage the transmission on the thing.
Exactly.
This is like a little jet pistol cylinder.
Yeah, it's real.
Yeah, that's a hydraulic handbrake for a car.
Oh, it's actually one.
Yeah.
I thought you bought it for real.
Well, he did, but it's kill it.
Oh no!
Oh! It burns! Dude! How are we gonna fix this?
So this is how far our simulator has come so far. It's like 5 o'clock. We've been doing absolutely nothing but having fun.
Yummy! Just joking.
Do you see this?
I don't even like it right now. I don't even like anything about you. I haven't untied these shoes since I got them. Good dick. This man over here making some tiki torches.
Hello?
And we're trying to build this. It's 8 o'clock at night. It's supposed to be done 5 hours ago.
Yeah. Like right on the corner, bro.
We got one pedal. It's 10 o'clock. It's supposed to be done like 6 hours ago.
Well, after we put this dude, after this pedal's in, we only got 2 more. Done. And then we gotta do the side panels. And then we're done. It's just a block of wood.
And then we gotta do the back panel.
Wait, what?
What?
Oh, wait, yeah, we did. Oh, wait, I don't know.
And then we gotta get a seat.
Yeah,
'cause- and then we gotta get a monitor. And then, you know, we thought this through really well.
Hello. So we finished the build. It took 13 hours. Wait. Oh my gosh, we started at 11:30. Well, we started at like 11? 11:30? That's it. Well, you guys got here at 10:15. So it took 13 hours. It was only supposed to take like 5 or so, but no big deal. We finished it all, and it's not painted. There's no felt, and it's raw, but it's functional. And
Yeah,
I think you guys are, yeah.
that's it. I will show you guys more tomorrow. Because
we're all
it's dark
tired.
and we're tired and probably gonna go home and crackhead that anyway. So, as always, guys, subscribe to this sexy man here. Link will be here somewhere. I love each and every one of you. As always, hit that apex throttle on and keep going to your number 1. Bye.